Welcome to our channel. In today's video I am going to show you a very simple and effective way to clean the microphone port on your mobile phone. We will be focusing specifically on the Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 model, ensuring that your audio quality remains crystal clear and free from any dust or debris that might have built up over time. The first thing we do is turn off the phone. Never clean your phone while it is turned on. Wait until it is completely switched off. For cleaning, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. If they're too hard, they'll scratch your phone. We need alcohol. I'd recommend isopropyl alcohol, either in a spray bottle or in a small container. You can buy a spray bottle and brush as a set, Allegro or Amazon. If you can't, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's, like I mentioned earlier, soft or medium hard bristles, because otherwise you'll scratch your phone. Once the phone is turned off, we spray the brush with alcohol thoroughly. We take the phone, and here's the port. The microphone opening is here. We need to clean this opening, so in one direction. We perform approximately 10 to 15 gentle cleaning strokes to thoroughly clear out the microphone opening, and then we repeat the same process in the opposite direction. The same 10 to 15 strokes. Why a few strokes in one direction? Because if you constantly kept changing your direction, the loose dirt would simply stay inside the port. But this way, with each and every single stroke you make, all of the dirt eventually comes right out of the port. With the first few strokes, the alcohol softens it, and with the next ones, nature takes its course. It's best to repeat this 2 to 3 times in each direction. Cleaning the microphone port. We do exactly the same up and down motion, moving both towards the screen and directly away from the screen. Make a few strokes to thoroughly clean the microphone port. Once we're done with this microphone, there's still a second microphone. There's one on the other side as well. It is definitely worth taking the time to clean this specific part at the very end, because it is used for many important things. For example, for active noise cancellation, or for the high-quality voice recorder, or for various other essential functions that the phone uses every single day. It's important that both microphones are cleaned, because if only one is clean and the other isn't, there could still be issues and things might not work as they should. In the same way, make 10, 20 or 15 strokes in one direction, then in the other direction. And it's best to do it the same way. Up, down, you can also pause, meaning towards the screen and away from the screen. A few strokes just to thoroughly clean the opening of the second microphone as well. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. Only after this time can we turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And see you in my next video.